This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Paula McClendon. Enter through a beautiful impact glass door into this timeless, classic, and contemporary patio home, perfect for anyone who likes to entertain outdoors, rain or shine. A desirable, sought-after floor plan surrounds the 500 square feet covered and enclosed patio, which is the heart of this home. Neutral 20 by 20 throughout, vaulted ceilings, recessed lighting, open and spacious dining and living rooms. Open kitchen overlooks the family room and features galaxy granite counters, 42 inches raised clearwood maple kitchen cabinets, island west/seating, and stainless steel appliances, split bedroom plan, large master, custom walk-in closet, and bath west/Kholer 2-person jacuzzi tub. Home is nestled in a private location on a peaceful, greenbelt lot and is fenced for added privacy, also features accordion shutters. For more information, review the details below or contact Paula McClendon at 954-217